I forgot to record mounting of the postcard here. Well, it's a postcard, but it wasn't sent in the mail. This was a postcard. It's plastic. I got this one from my sister. This one is from What's Next Sunshine. So this one is from my sister in Germany. It says, Arbeit ist schön, deshalb immer etwas für morgen aufheben, which means work is nice, that's why you want to always save some for tomorrow. So don't finish all your work in one day. You got to leave some over for tomorrow. And this one, erwachsen werden, ich mache ja viel Scheiß mit, aber nicht jeden. And loosely translated, that means to grow up or to become an adult. I partake in a lot of BS or shit, but not every. So I don't know if I translated that correctly. So I partake in a lot of shit, but not every. Or how would you say? I take part in a lot of stuff, but not everything. So there you go. So the person doesn't want to grow up. That's the joke behind this thing. And this obviously, don't work too hard. Leave some for the next day. It's like when I get a car in and you got a whole bunch of stuff that's wrong with it. You make a list of all of it, but you prioritize what's important. So you want to deal with the important stuff. Leave the other stuff for some other time. They'll be back for a future oil change or whatever. And at that point in time, other things can be knocked off of the recommendation list.
Sorted.